Let's head to the pool now, where Olympian Sabrina will headline a list of top swimmers set to take part at this year's renewal of the Tornadoes Invitational Swim Meet, slated to start this Friday at the National Aquatic Centre. Daniel McLeod tells us more.
The 24th staging of the Tornadoes Invitational Swim Meet promises to be extremely engaging as top swimmers from around the island converge at the National Aquatic Centre for the 3-day competition. 2024 Paris Olympian Sabrina, a product of the Tornadoes Swim Club and a current student at the Louisiana State University, explains why she has decided to return home to compete.
Local meets are really important. They really help you practice for further along the line. As long as you take it seriously and try your hardest, it really does set you up for preparing to race at really big meets, because as much as people think that racing is just, train and then you go, but you also have to practice to race, and this is a really good meet. Local meets are really good meets to practice this skill of racing.
Two top local young swimmers in particular are looking to use the meet as a pre-qualifier for other tournaments.
This meet, I'm going to go and get some more qualifying times for Pan Am, and just to ensure that I drop time and keep my rankings where they are and just have fun.
I'm feeling pretty good. I hope I drop some amazing times. I hope I drop some significant time on that 200 free. I'm trying to qualify for Goodwill next year so I can represent my amazing country, Jamaica.
Head coach of Tornadoes Swim Club, Wendy Lee, highlights the importance of the meet.
The Tornadoes Swim Club is really focused on developing local talent to make sure that they can compete at national teams. So there is no Jamaican national team that does not have a tornado swimmer on it, from the Goodwill Games at 8 and under to the Olympics. Tornadoes Swim Club has actually developed 5 Olympians, 3 swimmers and 2 coaches. We are very proud of it, and all of those swimmers got their foundation here at the stadium.
The 3-day event will run until Sunday. Daniel McLeod reporting for TVJ Sports.